Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, so we finally get to see some of the first spoilers for the Ipsy April standard box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment in my last video, which was some spoilers and the choice items for BoxyCharm April base box. Congratulations, Jenny Meadows. Jenny says, hey Mandy, thanks for the info. Well, you're more than welcome, Jenny. You know I love doing these videos. If I didn't have these videos to do, I'd go nuts. And I really appreciate you watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. Might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that it did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, this is the spoilers, some of the spoilers for the April standard bag. But first up, we have the Ahava 24K Gold Mineral Mud Mask. Then next up, we have the Glossier Priming Moisturizer Rich. Next up is the Bare Minerals Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick in the shade Courage. Next up is the Buxom Cosmetics Lash Volumizing Mascara in the shade Blackest Black. Gotta love it, y'all. And next up, and I've never heard of this brand, so I'm excited to see everybody's response to this thing. This is the Shayna B. Miami Blush Brush. Again, never heard of the brand. I'd love to see how it performs. And last but certainly not least, and again, another brand I've never heard of, is it Aura Kelly Beauty? Aura Kelly Beauty? I don't know. Y'all know I can't pronounce anything. Anyways, there's more words that I can't pronounce. It's the Ojos, or whatever, Perfectos Gel Pen Eyeliner. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Jessica Rabbit XO. Jessica says, I picked the eyeshadow palette. Well, you know what, Jessica? I would have went for one of them palettes too. So I'm with you there, Jessica. And honey, I really appreciate you watching the video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube's been just coming and it's been unsubscribing everybody for some damn reason. If you would, double check on that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.